Imagine looking into a mirror that doesn't simply reflect your image, but reflects time itself. A mirror not shaped from glass, but from gold. Its surface so perfectly curved, so exquisitely tuned, that it can catch the faintest echoes of the universe's first light. When you gaze into it, you don't see your own reflection, not your face, not your room, not even your world. Instead, you stare into the deep past, into a cosmic dawn when reality itself was still learning how to exist. That mirror is the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful window into the origin of everything. It was built to witness the birth of stars, to watch the first galaxies ignite, to trace the afterglow of creation itself. But what it found wasn't peace. It wasn't simplicity. And it wasn't what anyone expected. What Webb discovered shook the foundations of modern cosmology, because what it revealed should not exist. The impossible dawned for generations. Scientists believed they understood the general rhythm of cosmic history. The Big Bang marked the beginning, a flash not in space but of space itself. Then came darkness, hundreds of millions of years long, before the first stars blinked to life. Gradually, those stars merged into clusters, then galaxies, slow, patient, inevitable. So when Webb turned its golden mirrors toward a quiet, empty region of the sky, expecting only faint smudges of gas, it instead found maturity. A galaxy, bright and complex, rotating gracefully like the Milky Way. Spiral arms. Star clusters. A dense core blazing with energy. This wasn't a cosmic infant. It was an ancient soul, existing when the universe was barely 400 million years old. The laws of physics didn't allow that. The cosmic clock had skipped ahead by billions of years. And then there were more. Webb kept finding them, galaxies everywhere, structured, organized, alive. The early universe wasn't chaotic. It was thriving. A universe that grew too fast. Galaxies weren't supposed to appear this soon. In the early epochs, matter should have been scattered, thin hydrogen clouds still assembling under gravity's slow pull. Stars were supposed to ignite one by one, building heavy elements over eons. Yet Webb's spectral readings told another story. Those early galaxies contained oxygen, carbon, and even iron, materials forged only in the hearts of dying stars. That meant multiple generations of stars had already lived, burned, and exploded, all within a few 100 million years. It was as if the universe had rushed through its own childhood, sprinting through processes that should have taken billions of years. Complexity appeared almost instantly. Galaxies forming, dying, and reforming faster than any theory could explain. The ancient black holes. Then came something even stranger. Deep in the heart of one of those galaxies, Webb detected the unmistakable signature of a supermassive black hole, over 1 billion times heavier than our Sun. Such cosmic giants should take eons to grow, feeding slowly on gas, stars, and dust. Yet here it was, fully developed, existing when the universe was barely out of its infancy. Some scientists suggest exotic origins, black holes born directly from primordial energy fluctuations, bypassing stars entirely. Others invoke new physics, unseen forces, or dark matter dynamics beyond our understanding. But none of it fits neatly into what we thought we knew. To explain what Webb saw, we may have to rewrite the story of creation itself. The pattern beneath chaos. The surprises didn't stop there. As astronomers mapped the arrangement of these early galaxies, they noticed something curious, a pattern. Their positions and shapes seemed to echo repeating mathematical ratios, resembling spirals and fractal symmetries found in nature, the same geometry that shapes seashells, storms, and galaxies today. Coincidence? Perhaps. But maybe it hints at a hidden order, a universal blueprint written into spacetime itself. What we call chaos might simply be a design we haven't yet learned to read. The chemistry of life, written in the stars. Then came another revelation. In the cold, dark spaces between galaxies, far from any star, Webb detected faint chemical signatures of complex organic molecules. Not just simple gases like methane, but polycyclic compounds, the same building blocks that form amino acids, the foundation of life. These weren't trapped inside comets or planets. They were drifting freely through the void, untouched for over 13 billion years. If true, it means that life's raw ingredients were part of the universe from the very beginning. Life may not be a rare accident, but a natural outcome of cosmic chemistry, woven into the fabric of creation itself. The cosmic flower. One of Webb's most haunting images showed 6 galaxies arranged in a perfect ring, orbiting a central mass with eerie precision. Astronomers called it the cosmic flower. No known process fully explains its balance and symmetry. Gravitational lensing might account for part of it, but the structure's harmony felt deliberate, as though it had been waiting to be seen. Was it a coincidence born of gravity, or something more, a cosmic artifact shaped by forces beyond comprehension? No one knows. But it made even the skeptics pause. The observer's paradox, and then came the final, unsettling idea that the act of observation itself might be influencing what we see. In the quantum world, particles change when they're measured. But what if the same principle applies to the universe as a whole? Could it be that by building Webb, by daring to look back to the beginning, we triggered something ancient to look back at us? Some researchers noticed tiny shifts in Webb's repeated images, subtle changes in patterns that seem to evolve over time. Glitches, perhaps. Or something stranger. If true, it means we are not just witnesses to the universe. We are participants in its unfolding. Co-authors of a story that is still being written. The memory of the cosmos. Webb's discoveries go far beyond new data points or beautiful images. They force us to reconsider the nature of time, of order, of life itself. Galaxies too old. Black holes too massive. Elements too complex. Patterns too precise. Molecules too alive. Perhaps Webb didn't find the edge of the universe. Perhaps it found its memory. A record of something timeless, something that remembers being observed. And maybe, just maybe, in that moment of cosmic reflection, the universe